Hey guys, welcome on back to Crosshair Garage, CTG, Reborn. What, you know what? I'm still working on it. Okay, people quit stealing my name. I wouldn't have to think about it. Anyway, we're gonna get over here on old El Chupacabra. We got to get this thing summer ready. So we're gonna start out today with just an oil change. So I ran some of the awesome, I don't know what it was, Lucas engine treatment stuff in it. Now I want to get all that out of there. All right, guys. Well, my sketch level here is about out of 20. All right. Yeah, she's pretty black, but that was to be expected. This engine sat for, God, it stinks too. It smells like freaking gear oil. But this engine sat forever, so the fact that it's solid black is no surprise to me. Oh, our front end connections still look good. I think we're having some issues with the springs, but we'll deal with that another time. Got that damn Pendleton bottle there. That's going to give us trouble getting this out. Why is everything so tight in here?
That's what she said. That's what she said.
So we changed those last year when we got the car, and we were doing the whole getting it roadworthy type of thing. However, I'm going to pull that out. But yeah, so I mean, maybe we put 3,000, 4,000 miles on this thing last year, somewhere in that area. So we have a new microguard filter somewhere. Get her all lubed up real nice. Let's see if we can get her back in. That's good. I really didn't want to go moving that overflow bottle, whatever you want to call it there. Let me get this plug back in down here at the bottom, and we'll start dropping some new oil in this bad boy. So let's go ahead and get this out. We'll get her filled back up. We're going with a 2050 weight on this because of how much blow-by we have. Like I say, we just need this engine to last one more summer. So this was fun. What I was looking for the other day and couldn't find, and it was of course sitting right in front of my face where it usually is. Oh, that's some nice thick oil like that. So hopefully that Lucas treatment stuff that I put in there, hopefully it cleared some sludge up around there on the on the upper cylinder of the upper engine, the upper lubricant type stuff, valve train and everything. There's Piston, guys. He's coming. Well, you can't see him. He's coming to check out the camera though. What are you doing, buddy? You inspecting? How's everything look to you? Alright, so get tools out of the way. I'm going to check for leaks real quick. Not much of one, just a little leak around the pan, around the, the drain plug. That's normal on this thing though. So I'm going to fire this up. I'm going to leave this off. Y'all will be able to see the blow-by. It's quite impressive. So I don't know if that's a little more adequate description of how much blow-by we got, but it's a lot. let this run for a few minutes, let it warm up. You know, it doesn't help that we got a blow-by tube. These older cars, they have this blow-by tube down there, and you can see it just pouring out of there. So, you know, and on top of that, over here, you can just see it pouring out. Now, I did, this is stuffed with steel wool, you know, just some triple aught, quadruple aught. Oh, there's that thing. Steel wool. You know, I just kind of broke it up, stuck it in there to help kind of catch some of that, but really not doing much. And you can see the blow-by just rolling out of that thing. But like I say, we just need one more summer out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on the jack stands because, like I say, we do have the transmission filter gasket coming in, or transmission filter and gasket coming in tomorrow. So I'm just going to let this drain down, make sure we're topped off, and you know, y'all don't need, y'all priority board death. So, all right, guys. So momentarily, my new transmission stuff should be in. So let's go ahead and try and get this drained out. So on these filters on this, these screens, whatever you want to call them, basically you've got this this bar here. It just kind of sits on two little nubs. You just pull it off, and then this is just held in here and here, and you just pull the whole thing down. So you can see this one here, she's probably due for a changing. I'm hoping that this will eliminate some of the problems we've been having with the shifting. I'm not sure. I really don't know. We'll find out. So that should be in today, and I'll get it thrown back in. So guys, just got back from O'Reilly's, and one of these is not like the other. You know, I'm getting so tired of getting screwed over by O'Reilly's. Everybody always talks about O'Reilly's as a place to go, but man, they suck. They're terrible. So I just went ahead and brake cleaned. Got that all in the RTV. I brake cleaned this one up. Just going to stick it back in. We're only running this for another year. I'm just hoping to get a little bit better shifting because I'm having trouble for my first and second. You know, it'll go into second eventually, and then once it does that, then you're fine until you shut the car off. Anyway, RTV'd up the pan, you know, because I don't have a gasket. The gasket doesn't work either, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna slap this back together, and y'all don't want to see that. So, by the way, those people who, you know, are screaming about O'Reilly's, they're getting paid to tell you O'Reilly's is great. Remember that, okay? All right, guys, so I have to tell you, I think there's zero chance that this doesn't leak. Daggone, I'm leaking all over friggin' this thing. Oh, daggone it, fucking get... Well, I leaked. I'm not seeing any leaks yet down there, so... Alright, let's crank her up. Alright, let's take her for a little spin around the block, see how she does. Well, no second. I mean, second kicks in, like, you know, after you've been driving for about 20 minutes. I was just hoping, you know, I can get it to work a little better. Brakes feel good. We're just going to circle the block here and kind of see what happens. If not, then I'm just going to go with the assumption that we didn't fix anything. And it is what it is. What are you doing, idiot? Second. Give me second. No second. Oh wait, did we just hit second? I don't think so. We'll find out. Once you get second, then you can keep it. Yeah, so we got second. She's shifting smooth now. I mean, real smooth. You can barely feel it shift. There it was, second gear. Nice and smooth. Loving it. Alright, so I'm guessing she just still needs to warm up a little bit, but normally when it would shift in second for the first time, it would be like a bam. Now she's there's second gear. Beautiful. Loving it. Loving it. Alright, I'm happy. So guys, I want to thank y'all for checking out this video. I know that the stuff we're doing right now, whoa, oh my god, we're gonna die. I know the stuff we're doing right now is not super exciting, but we're gonna get into that engine build. But I got something coming, one more thing I want to do before summer, But I'm getting ready to go out of town for work, and when I get back, we're going to be on that. And so stick with me, and then we're going to be back to the motor build and doing some other stuff, some more cool stuff. You know what I mean? I would not consider this cool stuff by any means, but it is in fact necessary stuff. So anyway, I thank y'all for watching, and yeah, if anybody's got any information about these Ford automatics, you know, why it takes, you know, so long for it to get ready to shift into second gear, maybe it's a common issue, I don't know. So anyway, yeah, she seems to be shifting beautifully now, but it still needs a second to warm up. So I don't know. Anyway, catch y'all on the next one. Love you. Bye.